How you doing, guys? Welcome to Mayde Beauty Studio. I'm Jeanette, and you guys can call me Jean. Today, I am going to talk about this beautiful hair that I have on, who is from, the quality of it, and everything about her. And I'm also going to show you how do I install my wigs, because I found the perfect product. It's from the Hair Diagram. It's the Boho Liquid Gold, and this thing is a royal product for me. Okay, the whole purpose of this video is to show you how I install my wig, to talk to you about this hair and this product in the process. I hope you like this video, so let's start watching. Okay, guys, so the wig is from the Mayde Beauty and it's the Mocha collection. This is 100% human hair blend. This is the 8D lace front wig, and it's the iStyle collection. Now I'm showing you this one right here, and then they have 6 more colors to choose from. But to be honest, in total they have 18 colors to choose from color 1 all the way to color gray. So the color that I'm going to be wearing today is going to be AB Ginger. Before I show you the wig and tell you a little bit more about it, I am going to tell you about some products that I use for my install, because that is essential. Before, I used to use got2b glue, hairspray sometimes. To be honest, I stopped using that when I found the Hair Diagram Boho Liquid Gold and some other products. Once I got my hands on this, it was a game changer. Picked up the Boho Skin Protector, which is a must, because that will give you the best install for your wigs without worrying about the elements that you are faced with. So when I was wearing got2b glue and some other type of glue, the type of work I move around and I tend to sweat around my forehead, so it will activate the glue either because of the heat, or it would just slide off to the back, and I constantly had to be re-gluing it, refixing it, and it became a hassle. I stopped using any type of glue because it was just time consuming. When I came across this product for the Hair Diagram, I'm telling you, it became a changer for me. Actually, what I use for my install is I use my Lancome bifacial. Honestly, just go around my face and I clean the area really good from residue with a cotton swab, and I just do that until it's clean. After, I go in with the skin protector. This is what's going to help your install last longer and also protect your skin. Basically it. And sometimes I use one of these, sometimes I use just a pair of scissors. So let me just go and tell you a little bit more about the wig. So this is the wig out of the box. It has 2 combs right here and here. The part is a C part right here, and it has your elastic that you can actually adjust. It has another comb right at the nape area, and of course your adjustable strap. This is a bob style. Look at the lace. It is see-through basically. I love it because, it blends easily with your skin. So what I do is I always cut it as close possible. I am not one of those girls that use baby hair. I like to be as natural as possible. I cannot do baby hair, so I don't. This wig is 100% human hair blend, and it has good combination of both worlds, which I love because you touch it and it doesn't feel synthetic at all. What I love about this wig is that it is 400 Fahrenheit, and safe. And guys, one of the things that I look for in synthetic wigs or affordable wigs is that able to style it by giving it heat. Now I look at heat that go all the way to 400 or 350 or within that range. I tend away from the ones that says like 100 degrees or 180. I stay away from those because they look more synthetic like versus more human. So if you want an affordable wig that has 100% human blend, look for the ones that says 350 and 400 and 450 and iron safe heating safety, because those are the best. Let's put it on. Okay, guys, so look at her. Ain't she gorgeous? Now, let me tell you, this blend of ginger color here is beautiful. I totally love it. I love the way it falls. Yes, I'm loving it. I love the bob. Yeah, I also got this brush, guys. You need one of these brushes in order to brush your wigs. Please do so. It saves you a lot of time and it treats the hair on your wigs amazingly better. Oh boy, I love this cut. It falls right on your neck. I want to not cut the lace yet. It's right here. The lace is right here. This wig is a little bit smaller on the cap size. It's really tight on my hair right now, but I don't mind that because I really feel protected. Like my wig is not gonna run anywhere when the wind hit it, but it is a little bit on the smaller side. So I am just gonna cut the lace, and in case you didn't see it, again, it's right here. And then I'm gonna fix the band, and then I'm gonna come in and show you how I install it. So basically I always cut right here and bring it as close as I can, and then I just, go around the edge just like that. I use the blade that I talked about, and I make sure my hairs are out of the way, and then I just again glide it down. So I'm gonna do that and I'll come back. Okay, guys, so I already cut the wig, and now I'm just gonna clean. By the way, I also took some of the wig caps that I had. I figured I didn't need them. So yeah, so basically what I'm doing is with my lac comb, I'm just cleaning the area. Now I am gonna get another, and I'm just gonna spray in here the skin protectant, good amount. So this is how I cut her. I cut her as close as I can. The key to this is that you put it on sections, okay? Don't do it all over the hairline, just do it in sections. So we're gonna work right here. Then we're gonna take the hair dryer and we're gonna blow it for 10 seconds on heat, okay? And then we're gonna place the wig. We're not gonna touch it too much because we don't want it to turn white. Then we're gonna turn back the hair dryer and we're gonna put it on cool. Make sure that you have one of the air dryers that have this button to put the air in cool, and you're just gonna dry it until it's completely dry, okay? So let's do that. So we are going to take the Boho liquid gold, and we're just gonna place it. I'm gonna get closer to you so you guys can see. And that's all to it. And then we're just gonna make sure that it's nice. Ooh, ooh, I made a boo-boo. But make sure we can always clean that later. Don't worry about it. Because the good thing about this boho liquid gold is that after you do all this, you could just run a little bit cotton with water around the edges and it will get clean. So again, 10 seconds on heat. And now we're going to move the hair. Ooh, and we're going to put it there. And that's it. So now we're just going to put it on heat. Press that button for cool air, and we are going to dry. Okay, guys, so I finished doing everything. So I have a little bit of the cleanser just to wipe this off because it looks white. Because it got in the hair and I was touching it too much. So that's the only thing. Once you put it on, you don't want to mess with it too much because then you will turn it white. You gotta wait until it's completely dry and then do your adjustment and your cutting that you need to. So as you can see, it's a little bit white here, but that's because remember I was going like this to and pressing on it. I didn't want to wait until it was completely cold. I mean dry, but I have a little lace right here that needs to be cut off. That can easily go away with a little bit of water. All right, guys. So again, this is the Mayde Beauty Mocha 100% human hair blend. It's a front HD lace wig. I love the fact that it's safely to use with an iron and it goes all the way to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You cannot beat that. Another thing I love is the color, the AB ginger. This color is amazing. I don't know what you guys think about that, but check that out. Oh, the way it falls, the way it falls, I just love it. Okay, I think I'm gonna get me another wig that has that color only or all over. I don't know what you guys think. Tell me in the comments below. Does the color suit me? Should I get another wig with this blend of gingers or just ginger in general? What I love about this wig also that it was also pre-plucked, okay? So I didn't have to do so much. And it had a deep hand tie lace part, which it was right here. And honestly, I didn't do much. Look, I didn't do much. I didn't do much. So it's a ear to ear HD lace. Look at the colors. Beautiful colors. Beautiful. I don't know about you, but this blue is calling my name. Anyway, that is my video for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Again, I totally also recommend this product. Nevertheless, this hair is amazing. And the fact that I'm able to use this and have it on for a long period of time without worrying about coming off or sliding back or the heat, the glue activating or anything like that is a game changer to me, guys. Anyways, I will be posting some pictures to the end. Hope you enjoy watching. Thank you for your love and support. See you in the next video.